an object.
What are you doing? Well, it seems like you're doing everything wrong to me. Where are your goggles?
On my forehead.
Where should they be?
On my head.
Where specifically? That's much better. Now, will you please describe to me how you sniffed this brick? You took a deep snort. Now, when properly sniffing said brick, you should hold it at least 6 inches from your face, and with a gentle wafting motion, waft the smell to your nose, and get a good identical sniff, like this. By the way, it smells like brick.
Identify 2 solids and a gas.
Never leave a
This is a solid. This is a solid. This is a gas.
I'm sorry, Mr. Sneaver. While this is the only one you got right, this is indeed a solid, no matter how broken down the form is. It's still compacted atoms.
Yeah,
Would you do me a solid and tell me why you said that was a solid?
where'd you get it? It's solidifer.
Well, as solidifer as this may be, it is actually used to hold compressed gas. While the object holding the gas in place is a solid, what's inside is in fact gas. And, excuse me, will you tell me what you call this again? Gas? Can I get you over here with gas?
No. Yeah, sure.
Well, that's why this is a solid. It's a brick! That smells bricky. Today we'll be measuring the mass of flour. Will you please gently do that for me? Well, that's just wrong on all accounts. This, my good sir, is not the type of flour we will be talking about today. We'll actually be talking about this type of flour. Now, when measuring this type of flour, you should always be sure to put it in a container, for you never, and I mean never, want to measure a solid directly on an electronic scale. Now, first you must zero out the,
Whoa there, kids!
Whoa!
What are you doing? Your electronic scale isn't plugged in, and you clearly haven't taken the cover off of it. Plug it in.
Yeah, you should probably plug it in. I was going to tell him that.
Yeah. Once you've done that, you can now take the cover off and turn the scale on. When zeroing out the tray that you will use to measure your solid, you must always place it on the tray. Once you've found the mass, press the 0 button, and you've now excluded the mass of this tray from the mass of your solid. Now you may proceed with using your scapula to put the flour up on your plate.
And be sure to always do it in small, quantitative amounts. Try to make it the same each time so you get an accurate measurement. Not too much, not too little. And then you will place it upon the scale to find your mass.
Fraction. Next, we have to find the density of the marble.
Well, since we've already gotten the volume, which was
1.
we need to properly dispose of the water and marble. Make sure you slowly pour it out and not letting the marble fall. Quickly dry it off. And then, but before we can measure the mass of this, we need to zero out that
Container.
Yeah, the container.
Okay.
Now, we place said marble into the container to get 5.36. Yeah.
Find the volume of a marble using a 50 milliliter graduated cylinder.
It's 70 milliliters.
Whoa there, that's not how you do it. First things first, when measuring milliliters, you might want to use water inside your graduated cylinder. Now, you want to make sure that the water pours a steady stream so it doesn't overfill or underfill. A good, I don't know, like that will work. And let's try to fill it up to 30 milliliters. A little bit over isn't that bad, but you might want to just pour it out to make sure. There we go. To turn out to be 31 milliliters.
Okay, so we had 30 minus 31. Oh, I'm kidding. 31 minus 30 is 1. So the marble's volume is 1.
There we go. Now, you will place your said object that you are measuring into, very softly, and you will read your measurement right on the meniscus.
Find the volume of a marble using a 50 milliliter graduated cylinder.
Identify two solids and a liquid. Okay. This is a solid. This is a solid. And this is a liquid.
Just hit her butt.
Well. They're acting.
Matthew McConaughey as Brick, anyways. Okay, now we'll be finding the mass of flour.
Action.
Today we'll be finding the mass of flour. Would you please demonstrate how you do that? That's not the flour word.
Okay, you can say liquid,
Okay,
solid,
so water,
gas.
air.
Liquid, gas, and solid.
I'm recording this.
No, because that probably, we should probably keep that right so they know that it's there.
Okay, so liquid,
You can say that you're the narrator.
gas,
Hi, you narrator.
solid.
Okay.
And then
Find the volume of a marble using a 50 milliliter graduated cylinder.
It's 70 milliliters.
Whoa, now that's not how you measure volume. First of all, you want to use water anytime you measure volume. Be sure to turn the water on before placing graduated cylinder under it. Make sure the stream is slow and steady so that you can get an accurate measurement, and keep your eye on the measurement that you want. Let's say 30 milliliters. Let's just do this.